Hey guys, this is DemiTube on Sharpwriter. Now, you already probably know from the content of my channel that I am a pretty avid Pokemon fan. And like a lot of other fans, I collect cards. Now, I will say from most collectors' point of view, I do not have many. From my mom's point of view, I have way too many. But there are a few that stand out in my collection. A few of them being the ones in my hand right now. But there are three that stand out the most that I currently have, and I want to display them in my room. However, I can't just like randomly tape them to the wall or something. No! They deserve more dignity than that. So I got this 3-photo frame from the Daiso because I can't be bothered to order anything, and who the heck even goes to photo stores anymore? Anyway, it doesn't fit entirely into the camera, but it also came with this sort of divider thingy to divide up the pictures. Obviously, it's 4 pictures, so it's kind of too big for a card, but I can work with this. And so I decided to film the customization progress of this picture frame. We'll see how it goes. It'll look cool in the end, I hope. So first things first, I'm going to be masking off where I don't want to paint with masking tape. And also I'm wearing gloves because I tend to get paint everywhere. And my mom had the genius idea of using them, so I'm gonna give it a try. Next, I'm going to be painting a base coat in black. After about 3 coats, I have a very opaque and clean finish. And I'm going to be ruining that clean finish, taking some paint markers and some nail polish and some actual normal paint. I'm going to be basically splattering the paint all over this and ruining everything and vandalizing the crap out of it. Now you guys know why I bothered to protect my table this time.
One eternity later.
Then you just leave it to dry for 2 to 3 weeks, maybe even a month. Yeah guys, I totally forgot about this. I am a terrible human being. Anyways, I think I am done with the frame and I am quite satisfied with how this looks. The light in my room is making all of the colors kind of really pale and kind of desaturated, but in person it actually looks quite amazing. So now I'm just gonna peel all of this masking tape off. Okay, so yeah, that wasn't as satisfying as I thought it was gonna be, but yeah, it's in the back. No one's gonna see it. So for the background, I'm just gonna take this piece of black fabric that I have a ridiculous amount of, and I'm gonna take this backing and trace it onto the fabric and then cut it out. After ironing this out, I'm just gonna glue it to this board. Then I just place this divider on top so I basically know where each of the cards are going. And I know most of you have already kind of guessed which cards that I'm going to be putting in here, but I'm just going to take them out right now. I can hear so many people groaning. So I'm just gonna line them up sort of evenly and then gently tack them into place using this masking tape. And this is a bit of a risk, but I will be removing these cards from their sleeves just so that their actual shininess can show through the other plastic layer that's gonna go on top of this. So here's the piece of plastic that was included with the picture frame instead of a piece of glass, because this was from the 100 yen store, and why would you honestly expect a piece of glass to be in there? There are some scratches on this thing, but I cleaned it the best that I could, and I'm going to be placing the clean side up into the picture frame. And then I'm going to be placing this face down into the picture frame. Okay, now after that needlessly painful process, I can then fold down these metal tabs which hold the picture frame in place. You have to be kidding me, what the heck? Well, I'm gonna have to take apart everything and fix that. Alright, reassembly, take 2. And now I'm just gonna clean off the plastic a little bit more. Okay, so I don't really know how much the camera caught, but I put it back together for the second time, realized there were so many specks of dust between the plastic and this barrier thingy, so I took it apart again, wiped everything down, and hopefully this time everything will work. Okay, so now with everything in place, I think it is done. I'm just trying to find a place to hang it. My bed's currently a mess right now, but this is like the wall above and around my bed. And so, yeah, I'm trying to figure out a place to hang it. I know that place looks really empty, but there's a thing that goes up there which is essentially my name in this like traditional Chinese way of painting names, and I don't really feel like, you know, putting that up on the internet for everyone to see. So yeah, there is a thing that goes there, so I'm not putting it there. I'm thinking of just like putting this thing like this. Yeah. Nope, that's not gonna work, is it? I'll sort something out. Hold on, give me a second.
A few moments later.
Okay, so for now, this is the setup that I thought of. I moved this poster a little bit, and my Slytherin banner kind of obstructs Dr. Bean's face, but I actually kind of like that. Oh yeah, and I also wanted to bring this over to this wall. It originally was, hold on a second, on this wall, which is right above my filming area. But yeah, it was kind of pointless, and I think it's better that it's with all of my other Pokemon stuff on this wall. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this rather strange video and kind of a room tour, I guess. And yeah, I'm sorry for no video last week. It was exams week and I thought I was gonna die, so... Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and also comment down below what you want me to do next, because I'm kind of flying blind right now and I have no idea what to do next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!